All right, team, let's start documenting the exterior.
Roger that.
Focus on structural integrity on the balconies.
Getting measurements now?
All right, team, this is our baseline. We'll start with structural assessments on the lower level. Be careful of the broken glass. Let's go.
The staircase is finally clear.
Good work, let's keep going.
Watch the steps, they're cracked.
The pressure's good. Yeah, it looks like it's clearing up fast. Pressure is good. Let's work our way up from the bumper. Okay, I'll take the wheels.
Keep it steady along the side. Getting the grime off now.
The rust on this support looks critical,
We'll need to reinforce the balcony before anything else.
and the roof needs immediate patching.
All right, section 3. Got the tag ready. Temporary rail is secure here. Watch out for sparks. Looks solid.
Hand me the next section.
Coming right up. Keep the trowel flat, fill that crack deeply. Right, make sure it matches the original shape. Now smooth it out well. Okay, I'll clean the edge below. The level shows a drop here.
Get a measurement on that deflection.
Applying pressure now. Mark that section for a cutoff. Tight. All right. That should hold it. Looks like a solid weld. Good. Moving to the next section. We've secured the central section. All right, let's assess these windows and balconies. We need to focus on structural reinforcement next. All right, hold it steady now. Straps are secure, sending it down. Received, coming down, watch your clearance. Still a small leak here. Mark it. Okay, it's sealed now. Let's test again. Looking good. The new channels are draining perfectly. Line it up there, perfect. Tightening this corner now. Checking the weld. Keep it steady, tighten that bracket. Steady as she goes. Starting a new bead here.
Keep the nozzle close to the edge.
Got it, watch the dust.
Almost clear now. Next one's ready for brushing. The window frames are structurally sound. We're getting stable readings on the lower levels. Copy that. Let's send the drones to verify the upper structural supports.
Keep pushing it this way. Careful with that. Turn on the vacuum.
Okay, the voltage is stable here. Good. Let's check the next box before we close up.
Make sure that's tight against the frame.
Okay, I'm starting the tape on this seam now.
We're moving the flooring upstairs now. Grab what you can. Understood. Let's head up.
Right here, by the bathroom door. Okay, let's get the next stack. Dale, con cuidado.
Make sure the leveling is perfect on that cabinet.
We're good here. Ready to peel the floor?
Go ahead, nice and slow.
Let's center the sofa exactly between the shelves and the window.
Looks good right there, boss. All right, careful with that beam. Watch out below, coming down. Fire up the wash station, let's finish this.
Keep laying those stones. Check the alignment here.
Check the here.
Grab some more sod.